This is the SpiNode, a 4-port SPI converter from Visual Productions. Engineered for seamless integration, the SpiNode converts ArtNet and streaming ACN data directly to LED pixels. Each of the 4 ports is capable of driving up to 1024 RGB pixels. White and amber colors are also supported. Configuring your pixel settings is fast and easy thanks to the intuitive web interface. Each port supports up to 6 universes of eDMX input, allowing for a total of 24 universes across the device. A built-in test page helps you to troubleshoot your setup, quickly identify specific pixels and detect any faulty LEDs. And when paired with the QCore 3, the SpiNode unlocks 16 additional universes. With 2 SpiNodes, you reach the full potential of 32 universes per QCore. For more information, visit visualproductions.nl. Thank you for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for more videos from Visual Productions.